Let us move ahead with the worksheet number 3, and here you can see the problem statement. The problem statement suggests that the distance between end projectors of line AB is 60 mm. Location of point A is given. Point A is 5 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of AP. And location of point B is given. Point B is 40 mm above HP and 50 mm behind B. So let us consider those positions. We'll be able to see that point A is above HP in front of BP, so point A is in first quadrant. And about point B, the data suggests that it is above HP and behind BP, so point B is going to be in second quadrant. Our task is to draw the projections and find the inclination of straight line AB. We need to find the projections and find the inclination of the line, full length of line AB with horizontal plane and vertical plane. So let us move ahead and solve the problem with the physical graph. Now let us start with the drafting of available data. We are having data that end projectile distance is equal to 60 mm. Point A is 5 mm above HP, 60 mm in front of PP. And for point B is 40 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of PP. Our task is to draft the projections and find the angle theta, phi and true length. Lines angle with horizontal plane, angle with vertical plane and true length of the line. Let us move ahead and start the draft. So we are going to have a reference over here, a reference line draw करेंगे. That reference is going to be called XY. Now we need to work on the other details which are available. Point A, its location is given, it is 5 mm above HP. So we are going to take a point over here and for 60 mm in front of vertical plane. So we are going to take a 60 mm point over here. Now we need to draft the locus lines. I'll be taking the dimensions over here. And whenever you plot the dimensions or plot anything, you should be taking care that the positions are going to be with reference to reference line in perpendicular manner. So this is going to be one of the locuses, as we are aware that these are the positions of point A. So this particular region at 5 mm is going to be the locus of A dash over here at 60 mm. You should take care the ruler scale moves in particular. This is going to be locus of plan of point A. The dimensions what you can refer is going to be 5 mm over here and over here is 60 mm. Now let us consider the second point also, 40 mm above HP, 50 mm behind VP. So the point is in second quadrant, and for second quadrant, so whenever projection is transferred, the plan and elevation are going to be above the reference line. So here we are going to note that particular reference. So we'll be positioning a point above the reference at 40 mm as well at 50 mm. This is going to be 50 mm, this is going to be 40 mm. Let us draft locus for it also. So this particular region is going to represent locus of B dash, as it is considered to be above the reference, and this is going to be called locus of B. Now take a position. So we are going to take position A dash over here and A over here. We are aware that the projections are going to be on a same straight vertical line. Now we are having another data which is mentioning that end projector distance, which is 60 mm. So we are going for 60 mm distance from A. This is the region. And on that region we are going to draw the B dash and B line. So this is going to be B dash B line. So this point itself is going to be B dash. This point itself is going to be B. Now, as we are aware that A dash B dash itself is the elevation length and AB itself is the plan length. So let us connect the A dash B dash. So A dash B dash itself is going to be the representing the elevation length. You can measure that elevation length also. It is going to be 67 mm. Now from elevation length, how we need to transfer the projections? For that, what we do? We generally drop an arc first from the endpoint of the elevation length, and right now the position from where I am transferring the arc is B in elevation. So from B in elevation to A in elevation, which is locus of A dash, I need to draw an arc, and then we have to transfer the projections with the help of a straight line. So right now our position is this, which is A in elevation, and straight line is going to be drafted from A in elevation to B in plan. So now we are drafting B in a plan condition. Within straight line, we can transfer that projection. So from here to here, we are going to have the position of B1, and AB1 is going to be the true length of line in a plan. True length of line in plan. You can measure that one also. AB1 is representing length of about 122 mm. Now let us start with the second component which is available to us. Join AB, which is the plan length. AB itself is the plan length. After drafting AB, we need to move further. So let us take this particular portion and consider AB. What is AB? AB itself is a plan length. If we are having plan length endpoint as a B, what we should do? We should be drafting an arc from B. From A, I am starting the arc, taking radius about AB, and from B, I will be drafting an arc in downward direction. The arc is going to be up to the locus of A. It is going to be up to the locus of A. Now we have to transfer its projection from locus of A. It is going towards B in elevation. And where should we find B in elevation? It is going to be available over here. Let us extend the locus lines. The result can be plotted easily. So here we are going to have that new position, which is B1 dash. Now join A dash and B1 dash. It is also representing the true length, and it is going to be same. This is going to be the true length in elevation. And when you measure that true length, It is going to be same for both the cases. What we have drafted is about 120 about. Okay. Now we need to measure the angles also. So what are the angles with horizontal plane and with vertical plane? The angle of true length in elevation with the reference is going to be called theta. We need to measure that. An angle of true length in plan with the reference is going to be called phi. Measure it and try to give the answer in the given data. And attempt other questions also.